Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Bagus Fadilah. I'm from the Faculty of Law. I want to present a legal entity. Definition of legal entity. Legal entities in Indonesia are defined as organization or association established with an authentic deed and in law are treated as people who have rights and obligation or are also called legal subject. Characteristic of legal entities. The characteristic of a business entity that can become the subject of a legal entity are as follows. First, have will carrying out activities in a legal entity. Second, have rights and obligations that are spirit from people who are legal entities. Third, registered as a legal entity. Fourth, provides in carrying out legal action. 5. Have a notarial deed at its establishment. Forms of legal entity. There are several types of business entities, namely, first, gathering an association from voluntary and deliberately from several people with the aim of strengthening their economic position of capacity, taking care of social problems, and preserving culture. Second, guild of people forms of legal entities that are formed from social and political factors in history, such as village, district, province, and state. Third, organization created according to the law, but other than the two types of legal entities above. Types of legal entity. Legal entities consist of several types of categories based of their status, namely 1. Public legal entities. A public legal entities is a legal entities created according to public law or a legal entities that regulates the relationship between the state and or its apparatus and citizens related to public or public interest, such as criminal law, constitutional law, state administrative law, international law, and so on. 2. Private legal entities. A private legal entity is a legal entity created according to the basis of civil law or a group of people who cooperate or form a business entity and are a unit that meets requirements determined by law. Private legal entities that have profit goals. Elements of legal agency. The element of legal entity as a legal subtext are as follows. First, have an association. 2. Have a manager. Third, have a specific purpose. 4. Have wealth. 5. Have rights and obligation. 6. Have the right to sue and be sued. Requirement of legal entity. An entity, association, or a legal agreement to be called a legal entity must meet the following 5 requirements. First, assets are supported for the assets of other legal subject. Second, has element of certain ideal goals that do not conflict with the law and regulation. Third, has own interest in legal traffic. Fourth, have a regular management organization according to the prevailing law and regulation and its own internal regulation. 5. Registered as a legal entity in accordance with applicable law and regulation. Legal basis of legal entities. The basis arrangement of legal entities is contained in Article 1000 654 of the Civil Codes, which state that all legitimate associations are like thugs have the power to carry off civil action without prejudice to general regulation in which power has been changed restrict of subject to certain association. Legal board theory. First, function theory. Second, the theory of wealth aims. Third, organ theory. Fourth, the theory of shared wealth. Fifth, theory juridical reality. That's my presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.